My dream to study architecture grew from living in Sydney, a city that celebrates creativity, diversity, and bold ideas. UTS stood out as a place where ambition meets opportunity, offering more than theory, a chance to build something real. UTS prepares you for the real world. I was encouraged to work while studying, and that made all the difference. By the time I graduated, I had years of hands-on experience as a lead student design architect, leading projects, collaborating with real clients, and solving problems that mattered. It gave me the confidence to lead and skills to thrive. Traveling opened my eyes to how architecture can shape culture and community. This became the foundation of my work, designing places that are flexible, multi-purposed, and most importantly, incorporate local uniqueness. What I love most about architecture is that because it's personal, your work can represent your personality and your beliefs. Today, I lead Charlestown Design, a growing firm with projects across New South Wales. I work with councils, developers, and private clients, creating everything from luxury homes to mixed-use recreational facilities. Our designs are tailor-made, rooted in local culture, and built to adapt to the way people live and connect. Sustainability is one of our firm's most important design principles. We design buildings that breathe with nature, solar-powered rooftops, rainwater recycling, and flexible spaces that evolve with their users. Architecture should serve both people and the environment, and inspire a better way of living. UTS gave me more than an education. It gave me a forward-thinking mindset. It taught me to think critically, to trust my instinct, and to lead with purpose. If you are dreaming of studying in Sydney, of creating something meaningful, of building a future that reflects who you are, UTS is where it begins. It's not just a university, it's shaping the world of tomorrow.